Psychodynamic therapy stands as a cornerstone in the realm of psychotherapy, rooted in the profound insights of Freudian theory and continuously evolving to integrate contemporary understandings of human psychology. At its core, psychodynamic therapy delves into the intricate workings of the unconscious mind, aiming to unearth unresolved conflicts, unconscious motivations, and deep-seated patterns that shape an individual's thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we embark on a journey to unravel the essence of psychodynamic therapy, exploring its methods, modality of treatment, and the duration of the therapeutic process. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. So let's get into it. Methods of eliciting the nature of intrapsychic conflicts. Number 1. Free association. Free association serves as a fundamental technique in psychodynamic therapy, encouraging clients to spontaneously express their thoughts, feelings, and associations without any censorship. By exploring the stream of consciousness, therapists gain insights into unconscious conflicts, desires, and defense mechanisms that underlie psychological distress. Number 2. Dream interpretation. Dreams provide a window into the unconscious mind, offering rich symbolism and imagery that reflect underlying psychological processes. Through the analysis of dreams, therapists uncover latent content, symbolic meanings, and unresolved conflicts, facilitating insight and understanding. Modality of treatment. Transference and interpretation. Transference refers to the unconscious redirection of feelings and attitudes from past relationships onto the therapist. Within the therapeutic relationship, transference dynamics emerge, offering valuable insights into the client's interpersonal patterns and unresolved conflicts. Therapists interpret transference manifestations to shed light on underlying issues and facilitate emotional processing. Transference neurosis occurs when unresolved conflicts and emotions from past experiences are reactivated within the therapeutic relationship, leading to intense emotional reactions and symptoms reminiscent of the original conflict. Through the exploration and interpretation of transference neurosis, therapists help clients understand and resolve underlying issues. Positive transference involves the projection of positive feelings such as admiration and affection onto the therapist. It can foster a strong therapeutic alliance and provide a supportive environment for exploration and growth. Negative transference entails the projection of negative feelings such as anger or mistrust onto the therapist. Challenging negative transference offers opportunities for therapeutic exploration and resolution of underlying conflicts. Resistance, confrontation, and clarification. Resistance refers to unconscious defenses that impede the therapeutic process. Therapists confront resistance by gently challenging defenses, fostering insight, and facilitating emotional processing. Through clarification, therapists elucidate unconscious motives and conflicts, promoting deeper understanding and self-awareness. Working through an insight. Working through involves the gradual resolution of intrapsychic conflicts and emotional processing within the therapeutic relationship. Through insight, clients gain understanding and awareness of underlying psychological dynamics, facilitating personal growth and symptom relief. Duration of treatment. This happens in 3 stages. Number 1, the initial stage, which involves exploration and assessment. The initial stage focuses on building rapport, establishing treatment goals, and conducting a comprehensive assessment of the client's psychological history and presenting concerns. Treatment duration typically ranges from several weeks to a few months. Number 2, middle stage, which involves insight and exploration. The middle stage involves intensive exploration of intrapsychic conflicts, transference dynamics, and unconscious processes. Clients engage in deep self-exploration and emotional processing, working towards resolution of underlying issues. Treatment duration may span several months to a year or more. Number 3, termination stage, which involves integration and closure. The termination stage focuses on consolidating insights, promoting emotional integration, and preparing for the conclusion of therapy. Therapists facilitate the client's transition towards independence and self-reliance, while also addressing any remaining issues or concerns. Treatment duration varies depending on the client's progress and readiness for termination, typically ranging from several months to a year. In essence, psychodynamic therapy offers a profound journey of self-discovery, insight, and transformation guided by the principles of exploration, interpretation, and emotional processing. Through the exploration of intrapsychic conflicts and transference dynamics, clients embark on a path towards greater self-awareness, authenticity, and psychological well-being. As therapy unfolds across its various stages, individuals gain deeper insights, resolve long-standing issues, and ultimately emerge with a renewed sense of empowerment and resilience. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health resources, please visit my Etsy shop. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.